Hello and welcome to CKE 10,001's gaming channel. In this video we'll be unboxing Weiss Schwarz Trial Deck Plus for Mushoku Tensei Jobless Reincarnation English Edition. So here we have the front of the box, the sides of the box, the back of the box. Welcome to Weiss Schwarz Trial Deck contents. Possibility of including a RRR card or even an exclusive SP signed from the following voice cast in the trial deck. So there. And now let's open it up to see what's inside. So let's remove the tape on either end first. There. And there. Trial deck to the back there, and then there is this plastic I can open up. So we have the rule sheet as of March 1st, 2022, featuring the Mushoku Tensei characters, the playmat, and the cards themselves. So the first card is a foiled card, Chant Rudis. We're getting a shot. We'll move this plastic. So it's a level 3 with experience. Right, that's the first card. Then we have a foiled climax card, From Master to Disciple. Choice climax. Then we have Good Wife, Wise Mother, Zenith. 2 copies. Graduation Exam, Rudis. Oh. 1 copy. Paul, Grey Rat. 1, 2, 3, 4 copies. Zenith Grey Rat at 2 copies. Lilia Grey Rat, 2 copies. Jobless Reincarnation Rudis, 1. Then the vanilla card. The Beginning of a New Life Rudis at 2. Magic Practice Backup at 2 copies. Sword Training Paul, Chant Rudis, Previous Life's Trauma, 2 of this event. Then the non-foiled version of the climax. A +2 soul climax, and Miss the Passing Days. And the blue cards, Lowly, Scornful Eyes, Unfriendly Roxy, Lolly I think, and then Demon Race Roxy, 2 copies. Depressed Feelings Roxy, Welcome Party Roxy, Unexpected Failure Roxy, Chant Roxy, so a book climax, Little Master, Welcome Party Roxy, Chant Roxy, Jobless Reincarnation Rudis, Lolly, Scornful Eyes, and Friendly Roxy. And, oh, yeah, nice. Not a sign card, but it is the RRR, Graduation Exam Rudis. So that's nice. Nice and shiny. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.